Hello mga idol and sis! Welcome to my channel! Ayan mga idol and sis, samahan niyo po ako sa aking paglilibot dito. Bagong park po ito, bagong bukas. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang kagandahan ng bagong bukas na park dito sa Suwannee, Georgia. Ayan mga idol and sis, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa inyong suporta at panunod sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. At napakadaming tao po dito mga idol and sis. Shoutout po sa team ko, Team Solid Love and Support. Pinangunahan po nilang Judy Tanaka. Thank you so much sa always mo support sa aking channel. Thank you at sa ating team, Team Solid Love and Support. Langga Judy Tanaka, Idol Joker PH, Sis Sky 25. Lahat po sila ay may mga channel. Ayan. Thank you so much sa mga silent viewers ko at saka sa mga kaibigan ko po dito sa YT. Let's go mga idol and sis at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kagandahan ng park na to. Umpisa na po natin. Ayan mga idol and sis at napakahaba-haba ng ang tulay na to. Ayan, napakahaba. Napakadaming tao. At super ganda naman po talaga ng park na to. Ayan. Ayan, no? Daming tao mga idol and sis. Kasi po opening ng park na to. Ayan. Opening. Kaya napakagandang park na to. Maraming tao. Nakikita nyo po ba yan mga idol sis? Lahat po sila ay mga tao. Ayan. Napakadami nila. Ayan. Ayan. Napakahaba po ng tulay na to mga idol sis. Napakadaming sasakyan. Ayan, may fountain sa gitna. Ayan, daming car. Ayun yung flag ng America. Ayan mga idol sis, bababa tayo dun mamaya sa baba. Ngayon, nasa taas tayo. Ayan, napakadami oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng park. Hanggang dun po yan yung tulay nare. Ayan, andito tayo sa taas mga idol and sis. Ayan, napakaganda. Andito tayo sa ibabang tulay. Ayan o, bababa tayo dun mga idol and sis mamaya. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan o. Ang ganda o. Ayan, daming tao dun o. Punong-puno ng sasakyan dito. Ayan. Ayan, dami. Ayan. Super ganda po dito mga idol and sis. Ayan, bagong bukas po itong park na to. Ayan, daming tao. Ayan, mula po doon yung tulay. Ayun, sa dulo, pupuntahan natin. Ayan. Ayan mga idol and sis, ang ganda. Andito ako sa ibabaw ng tulay. Ayan, napakahaba ng lakad natin. Ayan, medyo mainit po. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, napakadaming tao. Ayan. Oh, super ganda mga idol and sis. Oh, napakadaming people. Ayan. Ayan yung tulay, napakaganda. Oh. Ayan, ang ganda. Oh. Ayan, pupuntahan natin yung napakalayo na yon. Ayan, iikutin natin. Ayun, ang dami oh. Mga nagpipiknik sila. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Ayun, may mga nagbabalibol doon. Nice, sobrang ganda po dito mga idol and sis. Bagong bukas na park po ito. Ayun, isang katutak ang tao doon. Ayan oh. Ang daming nagpipiknik. Ayan oh. Grabe. Ayun yung mga food truck. Ayun. Mamaya titignan natin doon at ano mabibili natin. Ayan oh. Ang dami oh. Woo! dami mga idol sis, lalo na doon, oh. Grabe. Talagang inano tong park na to, bagong bukas. Mamaya may palabas po doon sa baba. Kaya may malaking TV dito. Ayan yung nakatalikod. Ayan. Ang daming upuan doon, oh. Ayan. Ito po yung kwan. Pwede maglaro yung mga bata, yung volleyball. Ayan, bababa tayo doon mamaya mga idol and sis. Ayan, bababa tayo dyan mamaya. Wow! Ang dami! Oh. Oh. Grabe mga idol and sis, oh. Ito yung malaking TV mga idol and sis. Ipalabas dito mamaya. Bababa tayo doon mamaya. Ayan, oh. Woo! Oh, more people. Ang dami. Oh, ayun yung tulay, oh. Paikot po yan, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ang daming tao mga idol. Nakita nyo po ba yan? Ayan, bababa tayo doon mamaya. Ayan. Ang ganda po ng park na to talaga. Ayan. Ang daming tao. Nice. Oh. Ayan yung TV. Mamaya bababa tayo doon. Grabe mga idol sis, itong park na to. Doon po kami sa kabilang part na naglalakad. Tapos ito, habang ano po ginagawa, bagong park po ito. Kaya tayo ay bababa doon mamaya. At titingnan natin yung maraming tao na yon. Grabe! Let's go mga idol sis! Ayan! Grabe! Grabe! Oh no! Ayun yung malaking TV. Oh no! Doon mas maraming tao. Oh, yun. Tingnan natin itong pinagkakaguluhan dito. Ay, grabe. Oh. May poles pa doon, oh. Ayun. Ang ganda, oh. Tignan nyo po mga idol and sis, napakadaming tao. Dahil bago po itong park na to eh, bagong bukas. Tapos yun po yung nilalakaran na yan sa taas. Ayun yung tulay. Paikot po yan. Ayan. Grabe. Dito na po kami lagi maglalakad dahil napakaluwang ng park na to. Ayan, may magandang umaagos pang tubig doon, oh. Tignan natin yung pinagkakaguluhan doon. Ayan, super ganda. Ay, ang daming tao, parang nagpipiknik sila. May mga dala silang tent at saka upuan. Oh. Grabe. Ay, ayun, dami, oh. Wow. Super taco. Naku, ang dami palang pinagkakaguluhan po yung food truck dito. Ayan. Super taco. Flavor rich. Ayun, iba-iba. Ang dami. Ayan, taco. Food truck. Ayan. Dito po yung ibang food truck sa taas. Tapos doon sa baba, yung ibang food truck. Ayan. Ayan, juice, oh. Oh. Ayan. Wow, juice. Nice. Wow. Say hi. Meron pang malaking aso doon. Hi, this is hi. Thank you. Ayun na. May mga ano pa dito, may mga mascot pa dito, mga idol sis. Grabe. Ang saya. Oh, may tumatao pa. Ay, may nakatao pa doon, oh. Oh. Ah, ano ba to? Ah, nakataob. Oh. Nakataob siya. Oh.
Alright, do you want to get a picture or do you want to go somewhere else? These other people want a picture. You want a picture? You got it.
Ay, sorry. Come on. Nakataob siya. Oh.
You want to take your picture? I get it.
Nice. Nakataob siya, oh, mga idol sis. Mga idol sis, bababa naman tayo sa taas. Ang dami ditong ano sa taas. Manonood kasi sila ng TV. Ngayon bababa naman tayo, mga idol sis. Ayan. Ayan. Sobrang init nga lang, mga idol sis. Sobrang init. Dito naman tayo sa baba. Ay, ang daming tao, mga idol sis. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa baba. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Mga idol sis, andito na tayo sa baba dahil nandun sa taas yung tulay. Ayan. Ang ganda, ang daming tao. Grabe. Grabe na tong part na to. Andang pinagkakaguluhan yung mga food cart. Andun kasi yung food truck sa taas. Andito naman po yung iba. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung umaagos na tubig.
I lost you.
Ayun.
phone?
Ayan. Oh my God. So beautiful. Oh. So beautiful. It's water power. Ayan. Oh. Lilibutin natin to lahat, mga idol sis. Woo! Ang dami. Ang dami nagbablog dito, mga idol sis. Mga Pinoy din. May nagbablog din dito ng Pinoy. Ayan, oh. Yung mga bata nag-uhula hop. Ayun. Mga nagbabike dito sa baba. Ayan. Grabe. Super dami. Ayan, punta tayo dito sa pinagkakagulahan ng mga pagkain. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga tinda nila. Woo! Grabe. Ayan. Ayan. Super dami. Ay. Ayun, hotdog. Hotdog naman to. Ayun, pinipilahan yung hotdog. Ayan, pinipilahan yung hotdog. Ito ang popcorn. Ayan, daming popcorn, no? Ayan. Ang daming popcorn. Popcorn. Ito, coffee. Ice coffee. Ayan, ice coffee. Ito naman yung mga food. Ayan. Ayan mga idol and sis, may nakuha pa tayong free. Pamaypay. Tapos lagayan ng tubig. Tapos cookies. Tapos keychain. Meron pa dito isa naka-box. Ayan yung naka-box. Mamaya titignan natin. Wow, may libre po pala dito mga idol and sis. Ayan, may pamaypay po tayo. Ayan. Libre po yun. Libre. Walang bayad. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo mga idol and sis. Dini tayo. Dini tayo. Ayan, meron tayong mug. At meron tayong pamaypay. Cookies. At may kitchen tayo. Kitchen dog. At meron tayo ditong naka-box. Hindi natin alam kung ano to. Ay! Ang ganda! Ay! Electric fan. Ito. Electric fan na maliit. Wow! Yes. Ayan, nahingi lang natin to mga idol and sis. Free po dito sa bagong park. Ayan. Diba? Yay! Thank you! Ayan. Pakita ko po sa inyo mga idol and sis ang kaganapan dito sa baba. Mga idol and sis, ayan na. Dami! Yan, dito naman tayo sa Gawinara mga idol and sis.
Mama, you want mango? You want cotton? Yeah, I think we're gonna do mango.
Sorry, excuse me. Ayan, oh. Dito naman tayo sa malaking fountain. Ayan. Ay, nakalibre tayo mga idol and sis. Mag, pamaypay, tapos may electric fan, and then yung keychain. Ayan mga idol and sis, ayun yung taas. Kanina galing po tayo doon sa una hanggang doon sa dulo. Ayun, doon. Maluwang na maluwang po ito mga idol and sis. Oh. Ayan, daming bata. Oh. Oh, napunta yung ball nila doon sa tubig. Ayan, mga idol and sis. Oh. Grabe, ang ganda. Oh. Dito po walang bayad dyan mga idol and sis. Alang bayad po ito. Libutan na to. Oh, grabe ganda. Mamaya po, mamayang dumilim-dilim po ng konti dito dahil may palabas po dito. Ayan, naghabulan po yung mga bata, naglalaro ng bola-bola. Ayan. Malaunan po, meron po ditong mga nagsusumba, ganon. Sasali tayo sa mga nagsusumba. Yan. Grabe tao. Masikat pa rin po yung araw mga idol. Ayan. Oh, grabe. May mga ice cream, juice. Ayan o. Mga palamig. Marami din po ditong Pilipino mga idol. Ayan. Free coffee. Thank you so much.
Oh, maybe I can say the YouTube channel?
YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Oh, may coffee tayo. Ice coffee. Ang sarap. Ayan, libre po. Oh, may baso pa tayo Masarap yung iced coffee nila. Ayan, marami pong libre po pala dito yung sa ano. Dito sa baba, isa sa nakaliherang baba nga rin. Hindi ko po alam kung hotdog ay libre. Alamin natin kung libre po yung hotdog. Kukuha tayo mamaya. Grabe mga idol and sis, tinig muna tayo. Libreng coffee. Ang sarap. Grabe. Ang pawis. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng coffee nila. Wow. Libre. Ang sarap. May palabas po dun sa taas, pupuntahan natin, baka may mga libreng dito po kasi pag ano may libre na bubunutin yung pangalan mo, kaya doon tayo pupunta mga idol sis. Hindi ko na to dadalhin yung baso, itatapon na lang natin. Super sarap. Let's go mga idol sis. Ayun mga idol sis, hindi ko po alam kung yan ang mayor dito. Ayan.
Goodman, Doug Iron, Heather Hall. In case you see them, tell them thank you. I'd also like to recognize the DeLay family. That's who we bought this land from. We want to thank them for being here tonight and honor them for allowing us to purchase this land in honor of Hardy DeLay III and Randy DeLay. That was the two sons that died early, and in honor of them, it's major part. So, we really wanted to create a destination, not only for local people of Suwannee, but the entire greater Atlanta area to know that this park is so stand out that is so different than anywhere else.
Ang daming tao dito. May mga palabas po dito mga idol and sis at hihintayin natin sila. Ang dami pong libre. Yung mga nakuha ko libre. Titingnan po natin kung ano pa yung mga libre dito. Oh yeah.
A lot built into the park that you'll have to discover as your own. But
pinaka-mayor dito yung naka-blue. Simpleng-simple, naka-short lang po. Wow.
So we really wanted to get your way
ayan,
here
masyadong maaraw.
Ayan. Across the fountain.
Maraming tao dito. Andito yung mayor ng Georgia, ng Suwannee. Kaya nakikinig muna po tayo at saka ayan. Andito yung mga mascot sa aking likod. Ayun sila. Let's go mga idol sis. Maaraw. Ayun na sila mga idol. Yung magkano sila.
When Town Center Park was done, we were a population of about 10,000 people. Now we're a population of about 23,000 people. And I don't know if you noticed in Town Center Park, but that middle circle is worn out a lot of times with grass.
Ayan.
Matt Gore, our new public works director, it's my job to ruin the grass, it's your job to fix the grass. So he's doing a great job, and he's got a whole new park that just started a few months ago, and here you go, brand new park. All right. So one of the things that I enjoyed about Town Center Park was seeing how it evolved over time and seeing how it changed. The stage wasn't there when it was built. The fountain wasn't there when it was built. The public art wasn't there when it was built. So watching it change over time was just fantastic. The trees were small back in 2003, right? So the trees here are small. So they're going to grow, and before you know it, in 20 years, it's going to look like Town Center Park. Okay, where's my hype girl? Right. Okay. Town Center, I mean, will evolve.
Magkakating na sila mga idol sis
what's
ng
next?
parang
We're
ribbon
going to be
to.
putting some finishing touches on this part. Yes, we're going to be
Yes.
putting some finishing touches. You're going to see some
Ayan.
other hardware go up, bathroom screens, bollards,
Dami.
railings, some other things. So we'll be putting that on over the next, 4 to 6 months. You're going to see fun stuff go up
Ayan.
over the years, like murals.
Magkakating na si
The Veterans Memorial is going to be completed. It is under
Mayor.
construction
Ayan.
now. The large piece is up. Yes. It is fantastic. It is, when you walk across the bridge, someone told me recently it feels like you're in Chicago, like you're in Millennium Park, and it just, with that piece of art here. And there's going to be more of that, right? About the center circle here, there's going to be another signature piece of art. You heard Jimmy thank our sponsors for that artwork. That is all coming soon. But a big thing that's coming soon, if you see those banners back here where it says Swanee Circle coming in 2025, local entrepreneurs, Jose and Angie Hevia, they are the former owners of Cheapies, they're going to be creating a gathering spot up here called Swanee Circle. Fantastic family, it is a family business, and you're going to see that open in the spring of 2025. But in the meantime, yes, let's hear it for Angie and Jose Hevia. They're going to build a bar, yes. This space is going to be activated with a commercial element, much like the businesses do for Town Center. Are you ready for the ribbon cutting?
Yes!
All right, I feel like this is kind of the moment when we're passing the baton, and it's going to go to Matt Gore and our public art and our public works team, and it's going to go to Amy Doherty and our events team, because that's what's going to activate this part next. So yes, we pass the baton. In the Olympics, okay. No, this is the greatest showman theme. All right, so I want people to come up here who have had a role in this park. Marty Allen, our city manager, where are you? Come on up. I saw Hardin Watkins, former city manager. Come on up. City council, of course, come on up. Past city council members, come on up. If you are a sponsor of the future artwork that's coming, come on up. Matt Reeves, legislator, come on up.
Ayan, mga ano sila.
There are design people here who not only design City Hall, but help design this park.
Sila yung mga nag-design ng parks. Sila yung gumawa ng park.
Again.
Yan. Yan silang
Staff,
lahat.
you're part of this. Josh Campbell, if you're here, come on up. Amy Sackmar, if you're here, come on up.
Yan.
Anybody on my team, come on up. Cass Mooney.
Yan, lahat sila ang ng park na to.
He's gonna bust the skateboarders that are doing bad things in this park. Oh. Yes, that's worth a cheer right there. Okay, where's your mom? Can she come? She's our hype girl. Come on up. Come on up, man.
Yes.
No? All right. All right. If you change your mind, come on up. All right. Who else? Who else has been a part of it?
Excuse me.
Guys, come on, get in here. All right. That's not enough people up here. Are you sure I got everybody up here? Dick Goodman, are you here? Former council members? Doug Ireland? All right. Now, one thing about ribbon cuttings, it's very important to get the right photo, right? So we might have to do this a couple of times. We're gonna get this a couple of times, and we want to include our friends. Let's give it up to our circus friends over there.
More Cathy. One more. Ayan. Ayan ako, magkakating na sila. Ayan, ready? 1, 2. 2, 3. Adolescents, nagkakagulo na sila. Ayan. Ayan yung mga mascot. Ayan, yung mga clowns. Ayan. Hi!
Right here.
Ayan, sila lahat. Ayan o. Nice! Nice! Yes, sila lahat! Grabe! Grabe!
Start at 7:30. Thanks everybody on the stage. Good job. Thank you all so much. Have a great time. Enjoy the party.
Nice!
What did you say? The whole part. Look how brave!
Ang galing naman nila, wow! Ayan mga idol and sis, grabe! Grabe ang tao, nice, so beautiful! Ayan, grabe! Oh. Daming tao mga idol and sis, oh. Dami to, no? Ganda! Grabe, ayun! Grabe mga idol and sis, ayan. Meron kasi dito ang palabas, doon sa malaking TV. Hindi po natin alam kung may fireworks. Hintayin natin. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng park na to. Delay Nature Park po pala ang pangalan ng bagong park na to. Ayan yung tulay. Ayan, hanggang dun siya. Hanggang dun. Ayun. Ayun, marami din tao. Ayan, grabe ang tao mga idol and sis. Ayan. At andito yung mayor, may mga clowns. Nag-cutting sila ng ribbon. Ayan. Napakasarap mamasyal dito. Ayan, napakadami. Nakita nyo po ba mga idol? And sis, ayan. Talagang dinayo. Itong Delay Nature Park na to. Ayan. Sari-sarili silang bangko. Ayan, dala-dala nila. Mga banig. Ayan. Grabe. Sobra-sobra. Nakigulo ko dito mga idol and sis. Ayan. Grabe, oh. Grabe mga idol and sis, ayan. Last na. Magtatapos na ang ating video at napaka haba na po ng ating video. Ayan. Ipapakita ko lang po sa inyo. At wala na po yung sikat ng araw. Ayan. Grabe. Ayan, hanggang sa tulay.
Ladies and gentlemen and children of all ages, please join us on the lawn as we launch our movie night with The Greatest Showman. We are so pleased that you came out tonight to the grand opening of Town Center on Main and Delay Nature Park. If you are looking to see the movie screen, it is pointed back towards the top of the park. So if you are sitting to the right hand of the sidewalk, you will not be able to see the screen because the screen is pointed back to all the lovely folks sitting in the lawn between the hilltop and the sidewalk. So if you are here for movie night, we are about to start The Greatest Showman because Suwannee just opened one of the greatest parks in Suwannee. Maybe even Gwinnett County. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. If you missed our giveaways at the City of Suwannee tent, down by our vendor tents, we have a lovely giveaway that is for your pet or you, as well as some Suwannee fans. So if you would like to receive one of those free gifts, please visit the Blue Suwannee tent. Thank you so much for coming. Starting in October.
Ayan ang tao sa baba. Andito kasi tayo sa taas, dito tayo manunood. Ayan, sobrang itim na ng mukha ko mga idol. Ayan yung tao, grabe.
Thank you so much for joining us and enjoy the show.
Yan mga idol and sis, at hanggang dito na po ang ating video. Ayan, Maraming salamat po. Sana nagustuhan niyo po ang aking video today at napakaganda po ng park, bagong park na to. Delay Nature Park. Napakaganda, napakalawak, napakalinis. Ayan. Ang dami-daming tao, pati ako nakigulo mga idol and sis. Ayan, hanggang dito na po ang aking video. Salamat po sa inyong support at panonood sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. At hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin. Salamat po ako ng buong puso ko sa inyong lahat mga idol and sis. Thank you for watching everybody. Ingat po at God bless po sa ating lahat. Bye!